Hi everybody, and welcome back to the first edition of our weekly blog for the year 2010. So listen, I hope every one of you had an amazing Christmas and also an amazing New Year's. I know I sure did. Had a little time off and a little time to spend with my family and friends and things like that. But while I was here, I got a great idea for this week's and really the first blog for 2010. And that was because I had so many emails coming in. And by the way, thank you all for watching the weekly blogs and participating in the live community. You've really made this place a great place for everybody to come and learn. And obviously I owe all the credit to that, to you guys for that, because without you here and without you contributing every single day, this place wouldn't be as great as it is. So I want to thank you all for that. But obviously I had some time here just to kind of sit around and spend some time with family. And of course I'm always on my computer, and I was reading some of my emails, and a lot of you emailed me and said, hey, what's your New Year's resolution? What is Anthony going to do this year? What is my promise to myself for the year? And I started thinking about that. And really my promise to myself and my New Year's resolution is to not be complacent. Now, I know that a lot of you have probably read my book, and you know that we're talking a lot on the weekly blog about the principles to entrepreneurship, which are found here in my first book, The Hidden Millionaire. And one of them is actually never be complacent. That complacency, when you become complacent, it kills your desire, it kills your drive, and obviously it kills your growth. And that's really my New Year's resolution, is not to be complacent. And I want to read just a passage for you out of here, because I think it's very important for you to have the same New Year's resolution. So if this wasn't on your list, just add it to your list. You'll be very glad that you did by the end of the year, because let me tell you why. And obviously in this book we cover all of the things that you need to do and all the things you need to know in order to be a successful entrepreneur. And obviously not being complacent is one of them. And some of the stuff in the book, it says obviously that entrepreneurs know that a plateau is not a place to stop. It's simply a place to rest before pushing onward for more success. Now think about that. A lot of you have started your own business. A lot of you have started internet marketing. A lot of you have made money. Some of you might have made $300 or $400, or you may be in your own business, and your own business may be kind of at that plateau, at the point where you wanted it to be. Maybe a long time ago when you started it, you had a goal and you've achieved that goal, and now you're kind of laid back and you're resting and you're enjoying life and you're enjoying your success. You see, you're complacent, and you don't want to be complacent if you want to continue to grow and continue to have more and more success each and every year. So challenge yourself this year. Make 2010 the year that you never become complacent. Every day you wake up, you should strive for more success. You should strive to make your business grow more, and you should strive for more knowledge so that you can achieve that growth and achieve that success. And if you never become complacent, you're going to wake up one day and your business is going to be just multiplied numerous times, because you've put in the time, you've put in the effort, and you've not been complacent. So that's my message for you this week. I think it's a wonderful, wonderful way to start off 2010 with the right state of mind, with the right attitude, so that you can make sure that you're always progressing and you're always striving for more and more success. No matter how successful you are today, you always want to be more successful tomorrow. Now, a couple other things I want to talk about. A lot of you have probably noticed that we have the new little image up here on the website. It says shopanthonymorrison.com. A lot of people have emailed me and said, hey, look, how do I get access to some of your other programs, some of the programs that I've offered at my live events around the country, and so on and so forth. So we've decided that for this year, we're going to go ahead and add the store to anthonymorrison.com. So in the next couple of days, you'll actually be able to click on that logo that you see on the top of the page, and you'll be able to go through some of my other programs. We've got some really cool things, some audio series, some home study courses, some courses that are on like Invest Domains. It's a course on domain name investing. It has nothing to do with really internet marketing or affiliate marketing or anything like that, but it's just another way that I've found to make money on the internet, and I created a course and teach people how to do it. So there's going to be a lot of different courses, a lot of different programs that you'll have access to right here on anthonymorrison.com. And for those of you that haven't joined our newsletter, I encourage you to do that right now. It takes just a few seconds, but the great thing about it is it allows me to reach out to you. It allows me to let you know when we update our blog. It also allows me to give you discounts and free marketing tips and things like that. My goal in 2010 is for myself not to become complacent, but it's also to teach you and motivate you not to become complacent. And I can only do that if I can reach you. So obviously tuning in every single week here and watching the weekly blog is a start. join our live community and make a conscious effort to go on there every single day. Learn from people, teach other people, share your story, your experiences, and hopefully you can grow and find success from simply just being a frequent member of AnthonyMorrison.com. That way everybody can help you, you can help everybody, and we'll make sure that together we create an amazing year for everybody on this site in 2010. Listen, I want to thank you right now for joining me, and I look forward to talking to you next week right here on the Weekly Blog.